So you or someone you know has just seen something to make them have a flick of a switch moment in terms of animal exploitation, and they've gone, I don't want to be part of that any longer, and in order to change, it's a good job I looked then because I just nearly killed the cyclist. They've seen something, usually evil, and it's gone, right, now I need to change, I can't do this anymore, I can't be part of this anymore, I no longer see animals as things for me to benefit from, therefore I need to change my diet. What I would do, and this might sound mad, is I'd give up breakfast. You're probably thinking, how is that related to going vegan or whatever? Let me explain. So, the number one reason I see people, and this is not just to do with turning plant-based, this is just food in general, I'll keep on about this, people have got a food addiction, and that's not slating anyone. Nearly everyone's got a food addiction. It's quite normal because of the world we live in. Food is everywhere, Uber Eats, takeaways, food on every single corner, refrigerators, freezers, there's just food everywhere. And it's easy just to pick now because people work indoors and they're not out as much and whatever. So as time's gone on, food is just more abundant, especially in this part of the world. So because of this addiction, swapping food or not eating, or not eating chicken and cows and sheep and cheese can be difficult. Now I think if you've tried it and gone, oh no, I'm going to go back on my morals now, I do find that weak. I do find that there is weak people out there, but for people who haven't tried it and they want help, I'm not going to write everyone off and just say everyone's weak, you know what I mean? So you do have to get used to it. So the reason why I'd get rid of breakfast is because number one, it's one less meal you've got to think about. So now if you have 3 meals a day, you've only got to think of 2 meals. And you can swap out whatever you were going to eat, such as beef for mince and obviously chicken for tofu or whatever. So you've only got 2 meals instead of 3 to think about. But the number one reason why I would give up breakfast is because fasting is what cured me in terms of food addiction. So I've said this a few times and I've got my clients on it as well, and they've said the same thing. Ryan Burt, he said the same thing here years ago when I was on about it. I've been on about fasting for years. I've read books on it, and I genuinely think it healed me in terms of I no longer crave food. Or is it just the fact that I can cope with it more? I can just deal with a bit of a hunger spike every now and then, and I can just fast all day. Like I say, I'm always a big advocate for Monday fasting, fruit only on a Monday. So once you've started to fast and you've give up breakfast, you'll get more and more used to not eating. Now that's not to say you've got to starve yourself when you do eat and eat low calorie. You just eat the calories that you were going to eat anyway, if that's the calories you're aiming for. For instance, instead of having 700, 700, 700, which is 2,100, you just have 1,050, 1,050. So it doesn't necessarily mean you've got to cut your calories, or whatever. So whatever your calories are, your calories can stay the same as that. But giving up that first meal just means you don't eat till 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, maybe 2 o'clock. And this is what changed me, and this is what changed a lot of my clients, where they don't crave it anymore. They don't wake up and think about food. Do you know what I mean? And when that addiction becomes less and less and less, or that habit becomes less and less and less, it gets easier to control your urges. So then, if you are still addicted to these products like chicken, beef, sheep, cheese, whatever, it's going to be a lot easier as time goes on to not eat these things. So it's just a quick one really to say this is what I would do. I've just turned vegan, I've seen the crap, I don't want to be part of it anymore. How do I make it easier? Give up breakfast. Number one, because it heals your addiction to food and it makes you more strict and more rigorous in your approach. And number two, because then you've got less meals to deal with. And then you go, right, dinner, what do I usually have? Chicken salad, tofu salad, done. On the night, what do I have? Beef mince in a spaghetti bolognese, sweet, TVP or soy mince in your dish. So yeah, easy as that. I've written a 20,000 word guide for anyone to download. Just drop your email in the link on the landing page. And that is it, that'll help you. It's free, I didn't use AI, it's all from the computer, everything I've learned to help you with a plant-based diet, and also recipes, tips, tricks and advice in terms of training, health, fitness and eating plants. For activism, it's Plant Geezer. For everything else, it's Plant Geezer Coaching. Thanks for watching. You are not the one true savage.